in the parliament.
Sir, no, it was not in the assembly of the Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. That is the case of the election commission. If they had taken the stance that they have taken the stance, this order is wrong. If they had said no, they contested, as your lordship has rightly indicated, that they contested elections in other provinces and the National Assembly. That is why we issued this second schedule. They issued this second schedule, और वो schedule आपको दिखाया गया था और उसमें लिखा हुआ था कि हम एक नई डेट दे रहे हैं for non-submission of list of candidates. वो मैं आपको दोबारा नहीं दिखाऊंगा क्योंकि आप देख चुके. So my lord, this is a case of acting unfairly. They've acted unfairly.
Mr. Siddiqui, you said that word quite a few times. Please now.
बिल्कुल. I move on to my second point.
No, I have a question.
जी sir.
So we are bound by the interpretation of the Election Commission. Is that
No.
Is this a rule of interpretation?
No, that is not my.
Wait a second. You want us to take judicial notice of this fact?
No. That is
why are you referring to it?
I am referring to because I am showing to you.
And last and not least, if at all, who would have this seat gone to? Let's assume BAP is not there. So if you want us to open up the elections of 2018, we can do so, but you cannot just pick an isolated incident and tell us that it's binding on the Supreme Court or that is the correct interpretation of the Constitution. That's a very novel way to argue a case.
My lord, that is not my argument. All I'm trying to show is the arbitrariness and the unfairness
why don't you attend to the case?
But that is all I'm trying to show. That my second example of being unfair and arbitrary.
They are most unfair, let's assume that. So will that change the interpretation of the Constitution?
Because your lordship has again and again said, why should we intervene? One of the reasons why your lordship should intervene, if your lordship see that there is a kind of institutional hypocrisy at the heart of the Election Commission, they are discriminating against certain parties, that would be a ground for intervention.
election the, wo sahi the. If you go there, then don't open these boxes which will embarrass you.
We are looking at this. So let me come to my second argument. The second argument is, my lord, their example that the reason why we should not be given reserve seats as far as non-Muslims are concerned is because there is this clause in our constitution which says that minorities cannot be admitted. Now, this is what the ancient Greeks classically.
ये तो reason नहीं थी, ये तो उन्होंने यहाँ का बताया.
This is not the reason in the impune order of the Election Commission.
बिल्कुल आपने सही कहा. लेकिन सर ये शो करता है कि देखिए ये वो ancient Greeks कहते थे कि when you can't attack the argument, attack the person. It's an ad hominem attack.
Ancient Greeks ने आपको कहा है कि ये अपने रखे निकाल दें आप उसमें से.
मैं एक एग्जांपल दे.
अच्छी बात है आपके हिसाब से, ये आईनी बात है. मेरे हिसाब से अच्छी बात है.
मेरे हिसाब से अच्छी बात तो नहीं है. मेरे
आईनी बात है. मैंने दो प्रोविजंस आपको रेफर किए थे आईन के.
जी. Sir, I reserve my
You're not entitled to reserve.
No.
You have to answer.
No.
We can reserve.
My answer is no. I reserve my opinion on the issue of constitutionality. I don't think it's a good opinion. I don't think it's a good thing, but it shows institutional hypocrisy on the part of the
So what about yourself?
Sir, JUIF की same clause है. मैं उसके पेज आपको दिखा.
देखिए पहली बात.
और उनको minority की reserve seats दे दी है.
नहीं पहली बात उन्होंने कहा कि हमारी ऐसी कोई provision.
मैं आपको दिखा देता हूँ.
चलिए वो हमारे सामने.
फैसल साहब, you try to understand this is not the ground for non-suiting you.
मैं सिर्फ आपको दिखा रहा हूँ sir.
Not the ground. Election Commission के order में है ही नहीं.
इन चीजों में आप जा रहे हैं.
The only thing is lordship must see
okay, fine.
the unfairness of the election.
Why should we see the ground which is not mentioned in the impugned order?
ठीक. मैं सर एक पेज लिखवा दूं आपको बस. CMA number 5944 of 2024. Sorry, 5914 of 2024, sir.